Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol IDEX. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Did this analysis on Wednesday, so that is where the green line annotations are coming from. But after today's price movement, definitely some updates here need to be done. First update that needs to be put into place just based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of support are broken and closed below, they tend to act as resistance. So now going into next week, and on that note, I say next week because remember the markets are closed on Friday. But going into next week, that first key level of resistance to watch is going to be that $1.60 mark. So watch $1.60 very closely. And if the price can break back above there, that would definitely be a good step in the right direction. Now, of course, there'd still be a lot more work that needs to be done. But if there is any chance at a turnaround at all, that $1.60 mark is certainly going to be that main level that needs to be broken. And then if the price can get through that area, the next key level that you'd want to immediately turn your attention to is that purple line right there, which on my chart denotes the very well-known 50-period moving average, which is currently valued right there at $1.85. So $1.60 and then $1.85 are the two main areas of resistance going into next week. As far as next key level of support is concerned, I've talked about this in past videos, but it is now definitely in play. And that sits down here right around the $1.32 mark, which is, just to offer up a little bit more context, the bottom portion of this little consolidation area right there. So keep an eye on that. Now, in the event the price goes down to that level and can't quite hold up there, then as you see, that's very important, because that would all of a sudden put the price at a threat, and not a guarantee, because I mean those don't exist in the market, but a threat of potentially then visiting right down there around the $1.15 mark. So those are definitely some very, very important levels of support to watch moving forward. So yeah, not the greatest day to day, but it's not like the price collapse or, close below there, then collapse and close way down there. I mean, if anything, there is a nice little amount of bullishness right there as the price worked its way back upwards. So we'll see if the price can build upon that little momentum or not next week. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up, as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.